Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. If you have a heavy load, don't break your back. Get yourself the drag sled from NLDD. Made with sturdy polyethylene material, this drag sled is perfect for hauling up to 500 pounds. Very easy to use, the nylon rope slides easily through the rust-resistant grommets, making this fast and efficient. We had it in a rough terrain, and you'll see here in just a moment, it plows through with no problem at all. I really like the versatility of this sled. It can carry large volumes like a log or cooler. Another great feature is that this can be used as a rescue tool to haul a person that can't walk. This would be perfect for your backyard. Maybe you're cutting down a tree and need it to bring it to the road. It's great for camping, hunting, exploring the woods. I'm really impressed with the quality and ease of use, and I think you will be happy with it too. This is perfect to haul over grass, roots, sand, dirt, mud, snow, and ice. This sled will save you time and energy. It's a great tool to pack with you. It's lightweight and compact. So stop struggling with those cumbersome deer carts. This is a great replacement. It's easy to maneuver, easy to use, and I think that you will thank yourself for getting this when you really need it. And that's my point of view.